I'm back with another one. I want to show you something very cool. So here's a frame that I have, and it is on my Etsy shop in case you want. This heart frame is a bundle of like 5 other ones or 4 other ones included for a total of 5. But anyway, let me show you this. So you know how I love to show you guys how to up your game and how to use all these elements. And thanks to my girl Victoria, who is one of the other moderators, she kind of pointed this out in one of her tutorials. And I was like, oh, great tip. So I just wanted to bring it on over and show you guys how you can use this in the frames that I have, or any frames that you go and get or you use on Canva. So let's jump into it real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off these items and I'm going to show you how I did this. So it's like a pop out effect. Okay, so what we're going to do is take off all this. So I'm going to go into my gallery and I'm going to find the image that I used. It might be in my uploads. So let's just go to my uploads. Yeah, and there it is right there. And I'm just going to drop it into the frame. So you see how it placed it there? And then you could double click on it and move it down. You know, you can't move it a whole lot, but you can move it up or down to get more of it in there. So you want to click done. And then you see how like the crown is kind of cut off? So what I'm going to do is click these 3 little buttons and then I want to lock it. So I lock that into place. Now what I want to do is grab that same background and then I want to remove the background on it. So I'm going to go to Effects, BG Remover. This is a pro account that I'm using. So let me just size this up to like how the original crown is. So I'm just going to keep sizing in there. That looks good. So now what I want to do is drag this up. And I could drag these in if I want to. It really doesn't matter. But now you see the effect that it's no longer showing like cut off. So this is a great tip for you guys to use with your design skills and just drop in some more gems for you. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.